Hello everyone, Andrews here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you a walkthrough inside Apollo 22, and I'm going to tell you what you can expect and what you can see inside the members area. Okay, so right after you log in, you're going to see our welcome video, and here you can click here to register your seat on the live training we are holding, and then you can go directly inside the training. As you can see, we have 6 modules, and inside these modules I'm going to share with you exactly the same method I've been using to make hundreds of dollars per day in crypto, regardless of the price. I don't care if the price is going up, or I don't care if the price is going down. I'm still making hundreds of dollars every day using the exact same method I'm sharing with you right here. Okay, you don't need any experience, you don't need any like technical analysis knowledge, you don't need any special skills, nothing. Okay, I'm gonna take your hands from literally knowing zero about crypto to making hundreds of dollars per day safely with crypto, regardless of the price of the market right now. Okay, and then we have the upgrades right here, as you can see, and all of these upgrades are not essential for Apollo 22, but it will enhance your results. Okay, so just using Apollo 22 will give you the result I promise you. Okay, but purchasing any of these OTOs will enhance your results, but it's not necessary to make Apollo 22 works. Okay, and then you have, of course, right here, we need to fix this. Right now it looks kind of dark. So yeah, you have the support system right here. So if you have any question about anything, okay, you can just send us a message, and I will personally reach out to you, help you out, and do my best, basically. Okay, so yeah, that's Apollo 22, and yeah, hope you like it. And if you have any question, just reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, thanks for watching.